For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your ordinary TV to become a smart TV. Stay tuned, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates or new videos. Thank you. Let's start by unboxing this package from Shopee, which is the Android TV box. Let's open this. And there it is, Android TV box, multimedia, getaway internet TV. Yes, this is the box, 4K HD, MXQ MXQ Pro. So there's a box, and this is the unit, as you can see. And then inside the box, there is a cable wire, a charger. And no, it's not a charger. It's a wire for the electricity, for the plug. This is the remote and an HDMI cable wire. And of course, the manual. Use this manual to guide us for the step-by-step setup for this Android TV box. Okay, let's start by taking this. So this is the unit, and okay, let's take off this, and here it is, MXQ Pro 5G. So there's a USB output, and then there's HDMI for Ethernet as well, and another USB, and for the plug. So let's get started. And don't forget this remote, of course. So first, power on and off and sleep. Connect the box to the TV with HDMI cable. Connect the box power adapter. Connect mouse or air mouse or other input devices. So first, we put the HDMI to this TV box. And of course, the adapter, the power adapter, so that there could be power in this Android TV box. Okay, so let's connect the HDMI to the TV, to the television. So there it is, there's a HDMI output 2, and then you just put it into the HDMI 1 or any of the two, and then put the power adapter to the electricity and plug it, and there's a blue light, and open your TV. It says inbox, make your life colorful. So it started now. So you get your remote to control. So here it is, home screen setting network. We will connect to the Wi-Fi. So always put battery on the remote, because there's no free battery in this Android TV box. So I put two AAA battery. And now let's connect to the Wi-Fi so that we could start setting up this. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi and then connect to your Wi-Fi. So this step is connecting via Wi-Fi, and there is also a step where you can use Ethernet. You just need to put the Ethernet, and now it's connected. Let's start by opening YouTube app and search what videos you want. So this is my channel. So let's open our first video, and that's it. Happy first birthday banner by Cocomelon. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please ring the bell, and of course sign in for best experience so that you could personalize your videos while watching it. And here it goes. I'm signed in already. So we're done with the YouTube. Let's go to the Netflix, where everybody loves movie watching. Especially when you're stuck at home, you want to have some movie marathon. So let's use these buttons. Yes, you can use this remote as your cursor, and you can change it by turning on the cursor through the cursor use. So we're here at the Netflix. Let's start by signing in. So even though you have this Android TV box, you still need a Netflix account so that you could open Netflix movies. So here it is. I'm signed in. Let's start choosing movies that we like. So you can use default button mode, so that you could use the remote to control this Android TV. Okay, so let's start by choosing a movie that is close to our heart. So there are different movies there, trending comedies, TV shows, Filipino movies, and other adventurous movies. I love Aquaman. So let's start by opening this Aquaman using the cursor so that we could. Okay, let's enter mouse mode. Click again. Okay, let's click this play button so that we could open the movie. Alright, it's starting. Wow. You're just at home, but it feels like you're in a movie theater. So this Android TV box helps us to make our ordinary TV to be a smart TV. So this is much cheaper because you could it only costs 583 pesos to buy this Android TV box. You could have this unlimited movie you can watch at home. Here it is, guys. If you're new to my video, please like this. I hope it could help. Thank you.